Hello, cocktail lovers. You found the Drunken Sailor. Yep, it's me, Bill. Today, we're going to celebrate the second largest race of the summer. The first race was actually last weekend, and that was the Indianapolis 500, plagued with rain. And on June 8th, we've got one that they don't care if it's raining, they like the mud. We are going to celebrate the Belmont Stakes. This race is actually the third leg of the Triple Crown. Unfortunately, we're not going to have a Triple Crown winner this year, but we're going to have a great cocktail instead. So join me as we make the Belmont Jewel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give us a comment. Let us know if you like it. We'd love to hear from you. But in the meantime, let's get pouring. We're going to make this into a shaker. And the first off in here is going to be lemonade. We're going to use 2 ounces. Our next ingredient in there is actually pomegranate juice. This is going to add a little bit of tartness to the cocktail. Should be a nice little twist on it. That we're going to use 1 ounce. And for some reason, horse racing has a staple to it, and that's bourbon. So today we're going to use Buffalo Trace's bourbon, and we're going to use 1.5 ounces of Buffalo Trace bourbon. As I said, this is a pretty simple cocktail. Now all we need to do is throw some ice in there, and let's get this cooled. Going to give this a good shake. Now that we've got that chilled down, we need to get a glass. This is going into an old-fashioned glass, just like every other good bourbon drink should do. And now we pour. Just use a regular Hawthorne strainer on there. We're going to give this a garnish of a lemon wedge. Just drop that in the side. And there is today's cocktail, the official cocktail of the Belmont Stakes, the Belmont Jewel. It's sweet, it's tart, it's a little bit dry, and it's bourbon. It's good, folks. Enjoy it and watch the race.